Stamped concrete patios offer a beautiful, cost-effective way to enhance your outdoor living space. To maintain their appeal, regular care is essential. Routine cleaning with gentle methods helps preserve the surface, while addressing tough stains promptly prevents long-term damage. Sealing your patio periodically provides crucial protection against weather, wear, and staining. For optimal results, consider professional maintenance services. Experts can deep clean, repair, and reseal your stamped concrete, ensuring it receives the specialized care it needs. They have the tools and knowledge to address complex issues and can provide valuable advice for ongoing maintenance. Seasonal care is vital for longevity. Protect your patio from winter's harsh conditions and summer's intense sun. Address small repairs quickly to prevent larger problems. With proper attention, your stamped concrete patio can remain a stunning focal point for years to come. For more detailed guidance, explore the full article on stamped concrete maintenance today.